I'm going to be showing you how to sell these types of stickers and earn money immediately. And the good thing is, it's completely free. I'll be showing you the actual website you'll be using and how you'll be able to locate these pictures for free. All you'll have to do is to visit this website here, type in the dimensions 2800 by 2800, hit create a design, and then you start. But before we dive into the tutorial, welcome to Online Cash Flow, where we teach you how to make money online fast and easy. Make sure to smash the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you will be always updated whenever I post new content on how to make money online. Please like this video and leave a comment down below if you have any questions and any suggestions. I'm really happy about this video because I will be showing you exactly how to offer these stickers for free. You wouldn't need any specific skills or experience. You don't need a large email database. Yes, you don't need any of those things. Before we get into this amazing video, I'm trying to show you accurately how to do it and get paid immediately. But by the way, I haven't ever discussed this tactic and this website in this particular channel before, alright? The first website you will visit is pexels.com. It's a great website where you can use free copyright-free videos and photos, and they're really excellent photos. You don't get any copyright in this circumstance with a copyright infringement or anything. So now you can type in anything you want here, but for this example, I'm going to write cats. Look at all of these very cute, adorable cats right here. I'm truly impressed now, so I'm starting to choose a photo and download it right here. Once you've downloaded the image, you're going to go directly to the website called removal.ai, which deletes background images for free, totally free. Now I'm showing you an illustration of how that's done. So I'm just going to drag and drop the photo of the cat. So there's the photo of the cat right here. And then it's removing the background of that photo for me for just a matter of seconds. Now here's the outcome, which you're going to download right here onto your PC. Removal.ai is a completely free website for this purpose. The next website you'll visit is redbubble.com, where you'll upload that image. This is where you will sell the stickers. This is simple, guys. I'm going to go down to the sticker area right here, where there's an image of a cat, and you're going to click on this little cogwheel right here, which shows the price point at a 20% markup on these images. That's what I recommend you leave it at. You can still adjust it when you see your stickers selling well. You don't have to price yourself out of the business, so leave it at 20%. You can consider changing it to 30%. It's really simple to do. Just hit apply changes right here. And keep in mind, guys, redbubble.com is a massive marketplace with all varieties of stickers and caps. You can do whatever you want and sell everything you want on here. I just went into stickers. You can do clothing, masks, phone cases, accessories, stationery and office, and so on. Now you're probably wondering, how do I know it's legal for me to use this image from pexels.com? So I conducted some research for you. Here is the legal brevity of what is permitted. This is pexels.com's legal page, okay? It is indicated here that all photos and videos on Pexels are free to use. That attribution is not required, that giving credit to the photographer or Pexel is not required but appreciated, that you can modify the photos and videos from Pexels, and that you can be creative and edit them as you like. So what's not allowed now is to sell unaltered copies of a photo or video, which is why we remove the image. What if you're not entirely sure if it's enough? The good thing here is that here's the hack that most people seem to miss. So now you're going to go to canva.com, another free website. So I want you to press on custom size. And then I would like you to type in 2800 by 2800. Simply jot that down. When you press on that, a Canva canvas will create in which you'll begin attaching these photos. I'm going to be taking a second and attach a couple more cat images. You can do the same with whatever you choose to use. It could be funny living creatures or persons. It really doesn't mean a thing. I'll help you determine how to do it. But before we continue with the video, thank you for making it this far. What are your thoughts about the video? Are you getting more excited to earn money online? Let us know. We love to hear from you. Please leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give this video a big thumbs up. Now back to the video. Now I've downloaded 4 of such images in which you can see here on canva.com, the other free website. And we're going to be bringing them here, just drag them over here. This is actually the interesting part since we can rearrange them here, make them bigger, make them smaller, whatever you would like to do. Let's bring this cute kitty right here. Okay, so now we've got 4 images here and we can somewhat play with it a little bit. Bring out just a little bit here, so you've got 4 images of really cute cats, right? Text can also be added here. Check it out. You can use any text you want. It has its own text type that you can choose from, or you can just select a header here and say adorable cats. So we can take that down here and then change its color. Just have some fun with this. Let's make that, what do you think? Like a green. Let's see what that looks like. It's nice. All right, great. Then you're going to download this. I'm going to click download here and it'll download onto your PC. Then you'll go back to Redbubble and put that very last thing you just downloaded right here from canva.com and we'll let it upload. So here is the elegance of doing it this way, guys. Now that each of this stuff is going to become a sticker, scroll all the way down right after I've uploaded all of it and choose this one right here. I'm going to be changing this. We're going to select this and I'm going to press on this. We're going to keep the selling prices the same. And yet now when someone buys this one large sticker, they get 4 stickers in one, making it more valuable to you. Then you can sell this one big sticker where there is 1, 2, 3. Also, the text is going to be a sticker. It's going to have more worth. So if you're a newbie on Redbubble, you now provide more worth than participants which have more knowledge or have had Redbubble accounts longer than you. And you're outbidding everybody and providing them more for their money, and you saw the websites I used were mostly free. Okay, we somewhat went over it now. Find what's allowed and what's not okay. Do not sell unaltered copies of images. So we've completely changed these images and formed into one large picture with text, which was never on there for free. We removed the backgrounds for free and now you can start selling these images. Then just so you know, the terms and conditions on Pexel.com, specifically 5.5, which states right here Pexel's license. You could use these images including for commercial purposes, but it does not include the right to sell the copies if without first updating, modifying, or otherwise incorporating new creative elements into the content. And that's clearly what we did. We altered, adjusted, and developed new features into all of these photos that have been on Pexel. It is a good source of income instantaneously. I say you'd be surprised that people buy these stickers. They love their cats, dogs, animals, and pets, and they're always looking for new things, especially around the holidays. You can even make a Thanksgiving-themed Redbubble sticker. Return to Pexels.com and type in Thanksgiving. Alright, let's check that out and look at some of this. You can use every one of these photos to generate stickers on redbubble.com. And keep in mind you went through similar procedures. You delete the background, generate, add some text on canva.com, like we've done in this right here, adorable cats. And then you download that and put it right to Redbubble and start offering your items here. Perfect, right? And that's it. If this video helped you a lot, we appreciate you finishing it until the end. Make sure that you like and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to ring the notification bell so you will be updated on any videos that we will be uploading. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave any comments down below. Bye!